rice today with so many things in that. Follow me please. My ingredients: sweet rice soaked in the water, and this is 6 hours past. I soak in the water. I wring the water out. Coconut milk, dry shrimp. We put in the water about 3 hours, and this is I already take the water out. Dry mushroom, soak in the water for 3 hours, and this is I already take the water out from here. Pork, cut them clean and cut it to this side. Chinese sausage, slice them to this side. Sweet dry daikon, or you can call sweet turnip, made from daikon. Is my favorite. Roasted peanut. Light soy sauce is black pepper and water. Add all the ingredients on medium heat on your cooking non-stick pot. Recommend to use non-stick pot. Chinese sausage first with no oil. We cook Chinese sausage. It is look like this, ready right now. Have it on the side. Now we're going to add pork. No cooking oil. Add the turnip. Sweet dry daikon. So I'm gonna call that. Fry them, and you can add it up. Mushroom right now, dry shrimp, peanuts, almost everything right. And now you're going to just fry them like this together. Add some coconut milk, half cup first. Just stir a little bit. Now going to high heat. It's almost everything in here. Add pepper, light soy sauce, everything already added up right now. Just make them together. Right now the coconut milk is dry already. See that? Add sweet rice in here. After you add sweet rice in there, you just stir them. The smell coming very nice of everything, so it look like this right now. We just fry for a little while. Right now everything together right now, so I'm going to add some more coconut milk and the water. We already add everything in here. Stir them. That is the way it look right like now. So like that. Now we go almost low temperature, and 10 minutes. We're going to check it out. It's 10 minutes now. We're going to open. That's the way it look right like now. We're going to flip another side. It smells so good. Oh my god, I cannot wait. And right now it look like that. Go for a very low heat for 10 minutes, and we check it out again. Cover. 10 minutes. We come back to check it out. It look like that. It's ready. Everyone, smells so good, and it's ready to eat like that. So let me see the rice. The sticky rice. Sticky rice is ready too. See? Just do like this. It's ready. So we done. Done now. We're going to turn the heat off, and we're gonna leave it like that and leave them maybe 5 minutes. But we are done. When you eat, you just eat like this. This is the rice, the sticky rice, shrimp, peanut, dry mushroom. Just eat them one clip like that. Yum! This is time to share my secret recipe. I already shared to you like this. You just eat it one shot. Very good. Please press like and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Love you all.